Satya Nadella is a name everyone in the tech world knows. As the CEO of Microsoft, he leads one of the biggest and most influential companies on the planet. He turned the company around: cloud computing, artificial intelligence. People often wonder how he does it all. How does he manage thousands of employees, countless projects, and still find time to think about the future? His days are packed with meetings, decisions, massive amounts of information. His secret isn't just about working hard, it's about working smart, and that's a skill we can all learn from. The quest for productivity is something we all share. We want to get more done in less time, so we can focus on what truly matters. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a creative, you've probably looked for ways to optimize your day. We try different apps, read books on time management, and watch videos like this one, hoping to find that one trick that will change everything. For leaders like Nadella, productivity isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. The sheer volume of his responsibilities means he has to be incredibly efficient with his time and mental energy, making his methods particularly valuable for us to study. Imagine having a system that helps you cut through the noise, quickly understand complex reports, prepare for important meetings, generate new ideas on the spot. This is the level of productivity that top executives operate at. They have teams of people to help, of course, but increasingly, they also have powerful digital tools. The key is knowing how to use these tools effectively. It's not just about having the technology, it's about knowing the right questions to ask it. This is where the real magic happens, turning a powerful tool into a personal productivity game changer. This is why Satya Nadella's habits are so fascinating. He is at the forefront of the AI revolution, not just as a leader, but as a user. He understands that tools like the next generation GPT models are more than just chatbots. They are partners in thinking. By learning how he might leverage this technology, we can get a glimpse into the future of work and productivity. The secrets aren't locked away in a boardroom, they are accessible to anyone with a keyboard. We can adopt similar strategies to supercharge our own work, no matter what our job title is. So what is this powerful tool we're talking about? Let's talk about GPT-5. Imagine an AI that's smarter, faster, more capable. GPT-5 is the next step in language models designed to understand context, reason through complex problems, communicate like a human expert. For a busy leader like Satya Nadella, this isn't just a fun gadget, it's a powerful assistant that works around the clock. It can read thousands of pages in seconds, summarize them perfectly, help draft responses. It's like having an entire team of analysts and writers ready to help at a moment's notice. The role of AI like GPT-5 in productivity is transformative. In the past, being productive meant managing your time with calendars, to-do lists. Today, it also means managing information. We are all flooded with emails, reports, articles, messages. The real bottleneck is no longer just time, it's our capacity to process all this information. This is where GPT-5 shines. It acts as a filter synthesizer, turning massive raw data into clear, actionable insights. This frees up mental space for leaders to focus on big picture thinking, decision making. For someone in Satya Nadella's position, the applications are endless. Before a big board meeting, he could use GPT-5 to summarize the last quarter's financial reports, competitor analysis, market trends into a one-page briefing. Instead of spending hours reading dense documents, he gets the key takeaways in minutes. This allows him to walk into the meeting fully prepared and ready to engage in strategic discussions. The AI handles the what, so he can focus on the so what. And the what's next. It's a superpower for any leader dealing with information overload. The best part is that this kind of power is no longer just for CEOs. As these tools become more accessible, anyone can use them to become more productive. So, how exactly would Satya Nadella use GPT-5? It all comes down to the prompts. A prompt is simply the instruction you give the AI. A good prompt gets you a great result. Here are 7 secret prompts he might use. The first is the executive briefing prompt. He could paste a 50-page market research report. Summarize this report into a 1-page executive briefing. Focus on key market shifts, competitor actions, strategic opportunities for Microsoft. This instantly gives him the high-level overview he needs without spending hours reading. Anyone can use this for long articles or research papers. The second prompt is the meeting prep prompt. I have a 30-minute meeting with the CEO of company name tomorrow. Generate a briefing doc, include their latest financial results, recent product launches, our history of collaboration. Also, suggest 3 strategic questions I should ask. This turns prep time from an hour of research into a 5-minute task. You can use this to prepare for a job interview or a client call. Next up is the decision framework prompt. I need to decide whether to acquire a startup in the quantum computing space. Create a decision-making framework. Include pros and cons, potential risks, resource allocation, long-term strategic alignment with Microsoft's goals. This structures his thinking and ensures he considers all angles. You can use this for big life decisions like choosing a university or a new career path. Fourth is the communication draft prompt. Draft an internal memo to all Microsoft employees announcing our new AI for Good initiative. The tone should be inspiring, clear, optimistic. Explain the mission and how employees can get involved. This gives him a solid first draft that his communications team can then refine. This is perfect for anyone who struggles with writing important emails or announcements. Prompt 5, the idea generator, helps with brainstorming. Generate 10 unconventional ideas for the next version of Microsoft Teams to improve remote collaboration. Prompt 6, the learning synthesizer, helps him learn fast. Summarize the key concepts from the book, The Innovator's Dilemma, and explain how they apply to the cloud industry today. Prompt 7, the stakeholder perspective prompt, helps him see different viewpoints. For our new privacy policy, outline the main concerns from the perspective of a user, a regulator, and an advertiser. Each prompt is a tool for clarity and speed. The strategies we've explored aren't just for the CEO of a multi-trillion-dollar company, they are for you. The core idea is simple. Use AI as a thinking partner to augment your own intelligence. By mastering the art of the prompt, you can reclaim your time and mental energy. Start by identifying the most time-consuming parts of your day. Is it reading long documents? Is it preparing for meetings? Is it staring at a blank page trying to write an email? These are perfect opportunities to experiment with AI. The goal isn't to replace your thinking, but to enhance it. Think of these prompts as templates for success. You don't have to use them exactly as Satya Nadella would. Adapt them to your own life. If you're a student, use the executive briefing prompt to summarize dense academic papers. If you're a freelancer, use the meeting prep prompt to research new clients. Use the decision framework prompt to weigh the pros and cons of taking on a new project. The technology is a blank canvas. Your prompts are the brushstrokes. The more you practice, the better you'll get at painting a picture of productivity. Getting started is easier than you think. You don't need access to a hypothetical GPT-5. The AI tools today are already powerful. Open an AI chat and try a prompt. Take a long article you've been meaning to read and ask the AI to summarize it. Before your next important meeting, ask it to help you prepare. The tools are here and now you have the secrets to unlock them.